Hi guys, welcome back to Yoana Art. Stay inspired guys. Today I'm going to do a stretch mini canvas painting guys. It's going to be a sparkling tree. I'm going to use Fluro paint, acrylic paint. It's going to glow in the black light guys. And I'm going to use a pearl metallic paint. It's like a shining type. So please don't skip any of this video guys. And watch until the end of this video guys, and just give a nice big kind comment down there and give a big fat like on this video guys. Let's get straight on to the video guys. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Comment below guys. Let's get straight on to the video. Stay inspired guys. Have a look at my painting. Okay guys, now look, it's like a puzzle, see? See? And then see. How do you like my painting guys? I know you like it guys. So you can stick this to your wall of your room and then you will glow in the night, and I'm so loving it now. I'm enjoying it sparkle, okay? Thanks for watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a big fat like on this video guys, and comment below guys, and turn on the bell so you get notification guys. Stay tuned to the next video guys. Stay inspired.